when she gets back.
Oh, I definitely ordered one as well.
Dragon SpaceX nominal trunk jettison.
Copy that, SpaceX. We show the same and felt the same.
All right, good news there. We just heard that the trunk has been jettisoned and that deorbit burn is in progress. It's about a 7-minute burn from the Dragon capsule. And the, these are just such amazing views.
Dragon SpaceX, deorbit burn complete. Performance nominal. Nose cone closure initiated.
We show the same and tracking.
Confirmation there that we had a successful and nominal deorbit burn. So we're now going to see the nose cone begin its closing.
Now again, and this you can see on your screen is the first ground view of the Dragon capsule making its way back, entering the Earth's atmosphere.
We can see seat rotation now underway. This helps put the crew in a more ergonomic position in anticipation of
Brace
splashdown.
for drogue window.
Copy, we're bracing.
Should see those chutes deploy here shortly. And you can see the crew bracing.
There we can see that the drogue chutes have successfully deployed. It's a great thermal image. And that view is from the actual basin where those drogue parachutes are located.
Dragon SpaceX visual on 2 healthy drogues.
Copy that, SpaceX. We show the same.
Shot of the Dragon capsule. You can see it turning a little bit with the drogue parachutes. And there are the 4 main chutes now deployed. They'll slowly open up to their full deployment here in just a few seconds.
Incredible views of the Polaris Dawn crew returning to Earth after 5 days in Earth's orbit. The crowd here at Mission Control in Hawthorne cheering.
Dragon SpaceX visual on 4 mains and descent rate nominal.
200, we're bracing.
Copy, 200 embraced.
Bracing for splashdown.
That will be the final call we hear from Jared until contact with the ocean surface. Standing by for a splashdown of the Polaris Dawn crew. And there you can see.
SpaceX copies, we see splash.
As you can see on your screen, and by the cheers behind us, the Polaris Dawn crew has successfully splashed down.
Welcome back to planet Earth, Polaris Dawn.
We can see the Dragon capsule now coming out of the water. Our first view of that well-loved heat shield at the bottom of the Dragon Resilience vehicle. Dragon now completely out of the water and will be lowered onto that cradle there. Once the Dragon capsule is lowered, we will see the recovery team, who are obviously out of the way for safety reasons at this point in time. But once the capsule is translated and secured, we'll see them begin to hose it down with fresh water. As we reuse these capsules, we want to try and minimize the effects of corrosion, which of course happen due to salt water. So we will actually begin to see not only that basin where the main parachutes were located, that will get rinsed out, as well as the overall capsule. Successful as everyone has doffed their respirators.
And there you can see officially the hatch is open.
I just heard cheering from a distant part of the building. Mission specialist Anna Menon.
There she is.
Fellow
Some big waves.
SpaceXer.
Yes.
So happy. I love this. So excited.
Welcome back to Earth, Anna.
SpaceX team assisting her to make sure that she doesn't hit the side hatch in any way.
So much excitement. Our second SpaceXer to fly in space. Mission specialist Sarah Gillis back on Earth.
So cool to see her. It's pretty cool to see that they are coming out, standing up on their own 2 feet and walking off.
SpaceX Dragon, this is the final call. Sign up.
Some dance moves.
That's pretty great. I think that move should be added to the required choreography for human spaceflight missions.
And the final Polaris Dawn crew member egressing Dragon Resilience, Commander Jared Isaacman. Our second frequent flyer in Dragon, completing his second mission in space.
For a second, I thought for a second I thought he was saying goodbye to his spacecraft, but it turns out he was saying goodbye to the people still in there.